Today in this video we are going to study a new topic. The name of the topic is a decimal number. In this video we will see the concept of a decimal number with a daily life example, or you guys say how the decimal number is being used in our daily life. Then we will see the definition of a decimal number. Now we start with a daily life example where the decimal is being used. Suppose we have two number of pizzas, okay, and two persons are also with us. One person is more hungry than other. Now suppose this is a first pizza, this one is a second pizza, okay guys. Now this is pizza, this is also a pizza, okay. This is one and this is a two, and both are identical in shape and size, okay. Now suppose this is a person 1, this one is a person 2 here, okay guys. Now person 2 is more kind and he has shared his half pizza, okay, to first one. Then first one will get one and half pizza here, okay guys. See, now in mathematical terms how could you write? You have already read about a fraction. If you don't know about a fraction, then kindly see my earlier YouTube uploaded video. The link is given in the description box for concept of a fraction. Now see, in mathematics we write it 1, we write this portion as a 1 by 2, this is also 1 by 2. Now this person 1 will get 1 plus 1 by 2, or you can say 1 plus 0.5, and this is 1.5. Now person 2 will get 1 by 2, then he will get 0.5. Now when you make the addition of 1.5 plus 0.5, then it will be 2, okay. Now see, we have initially one pizza, this is first, this one is a second. Now then 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Hence now see guys, when the number is not a whole number or in between two whole numbers, then the concept of a decimal number come here. See here, the person 1 get 1.5 and the second one get 0.5. Okay, now you can see another example in daily life. If you go to market and buy some potatoes, okay, now suppose these are the potatoes, okay, or suppose the weight of this potato is 1.5 kg, okay, this one, okay guys. So here 1.5 is not a purely whole number, this is a decimal number. So you guys must know the decimal number. Okay guys, now next we will see terms used in a decimal number and how we read it. Okay guys, suppose I have consider a decimal number 3.8 here. The dot or point represent this number is a decimal number. The right part of this number, or you can say a decimal number, is called a decimal part, and this left part is called a whole number. Okay guys, now see, you can write 3.8 is equal to 3.0 plus 0.8. okay guys, now here whole number equal to 3, okay, or you can write it as 3.0 or 3.000. See, after this dot or right side, if you will put 0, 1 or more, it has no any meaning. Okay guys, now see, if I write second part, decimal part 0.8, then this is a not correct way of writing. You have to write 0.8. it means when there is only a decimal part, then just you put 0 left of this dot. Okay guys, left. Now see how we read a decimal number. Suppose we have taken this example, okay, so how to read, I am not talking here about how to write, we will see how to write later. Okay guys, see, so this one is a 2.37. okay guys, now suppose in examination this decimal number is given to you, okay, now you shall read it 3.32725. okay, in examination or any competitive examination, you may ask what is the extreme right digit of this decimal number. So extreme right, this one is a extreme right digit here, okay, which is 5. extreme right. Now next we will see the definition of a decimal number. Guys, see a definition. A fractional number whose denominator is 10 or power of 10 or exponent of 10, then such type of fractional number is called a decimal number. Okay guys, now I have used here power of 10 and exponent of 10. Both has a same meaning. Power of 10 equivalent to exponent of 10. Okay, or you can say both are synonym to each other, power and exponent. Okay, don't confuse the word. Okay, now what does mean of power of 10? If power of 10 is positive. Okay, see, this is 10 to power of 1. Okay, then this is equivalent to 10. Take another example, 10 to power of 2. Then it means you have to multiply 10 twice. Okay guys, in higher classes you will read this can be written as 10 to power of 1 multiply 10 to power of 1, then take a common 10. Okay, then in power you may write 1 plus 1. Okay, now this is equivalent to 10 to power of 2. Okay, now see another example, 10 to power of 3. Here 3 is written or no sign is given before 3. It means it is a positive number. Okay, so what will you write for this one? You have to write 10 multiply 10 multiply 10 3 times. Why? Because power is 3 here. This is equivalent to 1000. Okay guys, now for this one you can write 10 to power of 1 multiply 10 to power of 1 multiply 10 to power of 1 and take common 10, then this is equivalent to 1 plus 1 plus 1, or this is equivalent to 10 to power of 3. Okay guys, now if power of 10 is negative, what does it mean? Okay, suppose this example 10 to power of minus 1, then this is equivalent to 1 by 10. Okay, or in examination one may ask you what this mean, so you have to write 1/10. Okay, take another example, 10 to power of minus 2. This is equal to 1 by 10 multiply 1 by 10. Okay, why I have multiplied 1 by 10 twice? Because here see 2 is given in a power first thing, but the sign of 2, or you can say before 2 a negative sign is given, so you can say the power of 10 is here negative. Okay guys, so this is equivalent to 1 by 100, or you can write this as a 10 to power of 2. In higher classes you will read when denominator 10 to power of 2 will go up in numerator, then this is equivalent to 10 to power of minus 2. Okay guys, and take another example, 10 to power of minus 3. So what will you do? Here 3 minus 3 is given in power, so you have to multiply 1 by 10 3 times. Okay, so this is equivalent to 1 by 1000, or you can write it as a 1 by 10 to power of 3, or this 10 to power of 3 will go up or in numerator, then this is equivalent to 10 to power of minus 3 guys. So guys, what we finally conclude, when the power of 10 is positive, so you have to make multiply by 10 as a number given in power. In this case, see 3 is given in power, so you have to multiply 10 3 times. See, in negative cases, okay, here power is minus 2, okay, 10 to power of minus 2. It means you have to make multiply 1 by 10 twice, because here power is minus 2. Okay guys, in next video we will study following topics in decimal number. Okay, first we will study addition of decimal numbers. Then in addition we will study what is the meaning of like decimal and unlike decimal, and how to convert unlike decimal into a like decimal. Okay guys, in third topic we shall study decimal places in a decimal number. Okay guys, and fourth one we will study subtraction of decimal numbers, and fifth one we will study multiplication of decimal numbers, and last one we will study about division of decimal numbers. Okay guys, now hope you enjoyed this video by listening and watching. Please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family, so they also get benefit from this channel. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.